Hello and welcome to August 18th for TLRY. TLRY is forming a second doji. Let's look at that. So we came down here and hit this zone, hit right down in here and hit the low at 1278. And then look today, it tried to make a big opening here at the open of 1391, which matches the 1392 lows right here, right there, 1392 right there. 1392 was right here, and 1392 was right here. So apparently this area right in here is another doji zone before. Now just remember, the old nursery rhyme, trader's nursery rhyme, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. So we broke through the support, we came down to the next support, which is our exit at 1250, and then we have the punch up, and then we had the up green candle from yesterday, and now we have the great opening here at 1391. Reached a high of 1406, which is $2 short of our EPS stop out, and then it retreated. So, but if you notice too, the 10-day EMA is ever so slightly gliding, and that is also an indication that we might be in another accumulation zone. Something along here, something is keeping this price away from that 1250. Again, I'm totally ready to accept 12. If we get stopped out at 1250, we get stopped out at 1250. We don't dictate to the market dictates to us. All we got to do is roll with the punches. So if the punches come back and I get knocked down on the canvas, no big deal. $215 loss, approximately what I'm anticipating, goes to the loss leaders list, and then we go on to another open market, real live money test. So, with that said, it's again, we're still in that wait and see, nothing we can do about it. And these are the lazy dog days of summer, and according to Traders Almanac, these couple of weeks are going to be this kind of low volatility. Essentially, there's nothing's going to be moving spectacularly. But that said, we saw that KR and PG did pretty good. So it's going to be on a case by case, stock by stock, ETF basis. It's not, yeah, the overall market is doing this or the overall market is doing that. But what is your particular list? What your particular scanners? What is your particular choices are doing? That's where it comes down to. We live in our own bubble. Sure, the outside world is going crazy, whatever, but the bottom line is your local trading environment is your local trading environment. And that's what the encouragement here is. So looking down below, we also had the stochastics cross below the 20. It's at 18.69, but again, it's more of a flat line as opposed to a sharp downcline, such as it was shown here. And then over here, we have the stochastic, the RSI, it's punching up. It's punching up. Now, and also to the histogram, it's red, which means it went down, but it went down very, very slight. And so there, this is ATR. The blue line ATR. I just have there for the, so you judge my ATRs. So what is to be said? Wait. Jesse Livermore says it's in the waiting that you make the money. And this is the waiting. So we'll just be going along and seeing out. We are good till December on this ETF, and this is a DTE. So once we start, if we don't hit that bottom, we start climbing up, then we'll be applying the 7 exit rules to looking toward on this trade. Okay, with that said, there isn't much more to say about TLRY, and we'll go ahead and close up today's report on TLRY and come back tomorrow and see what happens next, with TLRY forming a second Doji Zone and still kicking. Thank you very much for stopping by, checking out, and do drop me any comments or any particular stock that we want to start tracking, because when TLRY is done, we'll go on to something else. So we'll move on to our next video of the day, and that'll be the forward testing, and take care, and thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out.